Here I've got Motorola Moto G7 Play, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications. You find and select the settings. Then you have to locate and open security and location. Go down and go to the advanced options. Here you will notice encryptions and credentials, access them, and at the bottom of the list you will see clear credentials. Simply tap on this switcher and confirm that you would like to remove all the contents by tapping on OK. Now confirm it with your patron if you have one. And that's it. As you can see, credential storage is erased. So this is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.